Congratulations, you signed up for this 30-day yoga challenge. You're the type of person who takes your health and your wellness serious. I put together this course that's going to help take your 30 days to a whole nother level. So before you even get to the 30-day challenge, I want you to learn some fundamental things. First, whenever we get to our yoga practice, the focus is always on the breath. And we're going to breathe in through the nose and out of the nose to help our mind relax, calm down, and focus. Second, we're going to use the whole body. I'm talking about the whole body. Yep. We're going to stretch all the way from our toes to the top of our head and our fingertips. And when we do that, we want to be mindful of our body. So if you make a move and it's a little painful, if you make a move and it feels like your breath is short and your body's going to ask you to stop, go ahead and stop. It's about safety first. We're going to make it through this 30 days and you're going to be better, not more injured. So whenever you feel like your body's saying stop, stop. Relax, release. This is yoga. Take it easy. And the third is about being in a state of mindfulness. I want you to think about it right now. Is your heart going? Is your breath going? Is your blood flowing? These are all things that happen automatically. But when we are in our yoga practice, I want you to think about where you place your hands, where you place your shoulders, where you place your feet, and then let it go. That's all a part of being mindful and in the present moment. And we do that by combining that breath with the movement, with the focus to help change and transform your day. It's going to take this 30-day challenge to help you step into the renewal. But even more, we have this course for you that's going to take your life and renew it. So go ahead and click the link below to learn how you can get your yoga and meditation beginner's course right now. Today, it's for you. It's going to have tons of tips and tools to get your yoga and your meditation practice started. And when you combine that with the 30-day challenge, you will have a life transformed to help you go from yelling to yoga. All right, let's get yourself some renewal. Go ahead and click the link below to find out how you can get this amazing course, the beginning yoga and meditation courses for you. All right, let's go. It's James Woods, aka that yoga dude. Well, feel free. Welcome to our 30-day yoga challenge. We are on the day of concentration. If you get into it, it's going to be yoga for concentration. It's after 3 o'clock. Your blood sugar's dropped. You're ready to go home. Somebody just dropped something new on your desk and you got to concentrate and focus and get it done. We're going to do some yoga to help you do that. We're going to start first with that mindful meditation. Sitting up nice and tall in your chair or on your mat. Standing, we want you to be nice and relaxed. We're going to focus on the breath for the next 10 seconds. Go ahead, relax your face. Get into your zone, your space. And let's inhale. And exhale for 10. Relax your shoulders. 9. Relax your chest and your back. 8. Breathe. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take a breath in, breathe in, and breathe out. Let's improve that concentration. Let's inhale, bring both hands out to the sides and up. Exhale, bring the palms together over the head and bring it down. Passing the palms on the crown of the head, the forehead, the eyes, the lips, the throat, the heart. We're going to scoop it up. Inhale. Reach up, stretch up your crown, your third eye, your 2 eyes, your nose, your face, your throat, your heart, your solar plexus, and back up. Breathe in and exhale for 5. Relax the shoulders. 4. Increasing the circulation. 3. And the concentration. 2. and 1. Good. Relax, rest the shoulders. I'm going to inhale, send my left hand out to the side, and then up. And gently over, just enough to feel that stretch. Then I want you to turn to look under your left armpit and stretch through that whole left side by letting the left hand reach up. Staying focused on that breath coming into the belly, right there to the side belly for 3, 2, 1. Good stretch here. Drop it down. Slowly come back to the center. Breathe in. And breathe out. Right hand come up into the sky. Tilt just enough. I want you to extend just enough to feel that stretch all the way through the front and the back of your body. Feel that stretch for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. Squeeze at the top of the shoulders. Roll up. Exhale. Round back and down. Get a yawn in like me if you need to. Then drop your chin down to your chest. For the stretch in the back of the neck. The whole back of the neck just opens up. Not forcing anything, just let it open up, and then we're going to slowly roll that right ear over towards the right shoulder. Breathe in. And then slowly roll the left ear towards the left shoulder. Good. Staying focused on our breath helps to increase our concentration. Inhale, breathe in. We're going to bring both hands up as if we are carrying we're carrying some laundry. About to bring the laundry up into the washing machine. So we're going to carry it. Breathe in. Lift up. Good. And then exhale. Like you jumping on a polio stick or pushing something down your way. Good. Shoving clothes into the dryer. Inhale, we lift it up. Put it into the washing. Exhale. Push it down into the dryer. Inhale up. Got one of those washers that's above. Exhale, the dryer is below. Above. And below. Good. This time I'm going to take my left hand, bring it up. Up to the right, bring it back. Bring that circle. We're opening up the shoulders, release the tension to the chest, to the shoulders, to the core, to the midsection. Our breath is staying along with it, so we can increase our focus. Good. Relax that left hand. Other side, use my arms. I'm increasing my focus and my energy. Thing is waking up. And I'm going to sleep for the rest of the day, so we open them up. Take 2 more. Good. Shoulder roll here, breathe in. Breathe out. Alright. If you're in your chair or on the ground, we'll go to our standing position. Good. Find our concentration. We're going to come into a balancing pose here. Let the body regulate, let the blood flow. We're coming back into your center position here. Good, your feet hip distance apart, shoulders relaxed, back and down. Now, if you're at your desk, get your chair right there. You are in class, you are behind your chair. You can grab that as support. If not, you can just focus on me. There you go. We're going to bring this left foot up, left knee up off the ground. You can use the hands to support it by bringing both hands to the back of the left leg. Or you can bring it to the front of the left leg and bring that left knee up a little bit more. Both hands good. I just want you to relax the shoulders, sit up nice and tall, and concentrate here for 5. And it doesn't have to be this high, just enough to feel the concentration. 4, 3, 2, and drop it down. Relax, pick up that right leg. Ooh, body's warming up, things are moving. Let's bring both hands up into the sky. Reach up, stretch up, breathe in. Exhale, bring the hands down. Now, a little bit more. Bring the hips forward. As you lean back, you open up. And exhale, bring the hands down. Good. Let's do it 3 more times. Just push your hips forward, lay back, open up. I want you to stay focused and concentrate for the whole movement. Don't get distracted when the hips come forward, when you bend it back. Stay focused. Last one. Relax, lowers. Then bring that right knee up as high as you can. Maybe stay as low. Maybe grab the chair and bring it up. Find your balance. Find your concentration. Just stare at one thing and stay focused on it. Breathe for 10, 9, 8. Relax the shoulders. 7. Breathe into the belly. 6. Focusing. 5. Concentration. Stay here. 4. Use your breath. 3, 2, 1. Drop that right foot, pick up the left. Coming into our chair pose. Palms open, heart open, shoulders roll back and down. Breathe in. You feel a lot more concentrated, a lot more focused, a lot more present, a lot more here in this moment. Through your body, through your brain, through your movement. Good. Always feel free, and namaste. Peace. We'll see you on the next day. Keep concentrating. Good job.